Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car. Level ground, parking brake engaged, chocks in place. Loosen the lug nuts while the wheel is on the ground, then lift and support the vehicle with rated stands. Once the car is stable, remove the wheel and visually confirm pad thickness and rotor condition. This tells you whether to replace pads, rotors, or both. Then, if the system has an ABS sensor, disconnect it carefully so you can access the caliper without straining the harness. You now remove the caliper. Unbolt the guide pins and swing the caliper off the rotor, supporting it with a hanger so the brake hose is not stressed. Pull the pads out, then remove the caliper bracket bolts to free the rotor. If the rotor is seized, tap the face with a soft mallet to break corrosion. Avoid hitting studs. Clean the hub flange and check rotor thickness against the vehicle spec. If the new rotor fits snugly, slide it on and reattach the bracket. You finish by compressing the caliper piston with a C-clamp or piston tool. This creates clearance for the new pads. Install the pads, mount the caliper, and torque all bolts and lug nuts to the manufacturer's spec. Lower the car, seat the pads with a controlled bedding routine, and verify pedal firmness. If the pedal feels spongy or brakes pulse abnormally, bleed the brake lines, confirm ABS connectors are secure, and ensure the piston is fully seated. That's single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.